me try and explain what we got here. Here we have a relay and across terminals 85 and 86 is the coil, and across terminals 30 and 87 is a normally open contact. So I wanted to see if this relay was working. So we're going to put 12 volts across 85 and 86 and check and see if the contact closes. So when the multimeter beeps, we have a circuit. So now I'm going to apply voltage very carefully to the coil, trying not to create a short circuit, and we should hear a beep. So that relay is fine. Okay, so the relay that I just tested is this one here. It goes in here. The terminal 30, if I can focus in there we go. Terminal 30 there is connected to the positive of the battery, so that's our plus signal. Terminal 87 is connected over to the air conditioning clutch plug, which I've unplugged. It's just sitting up there. I think it's the right pin as we look at the plug now. So we've got continuity between the right pin and the contact over here. The left pin is the earth, so we have a continuity between the left pin and the battery negative. So that all checks out. The next thing I want to check is by applying 12 volts directly to the air conditioning compressor clutch down there. I want to see if it clicks, and if that works, then we know electrically everything is good in terms of this contact. The relay is good. Then the only question is the relay getting a signal? And that is the million-dollar question, because the Opcom software is telling me I have an evaporator temperature sensor error, but I don't know where the evaporator temperature sensor is, and my colleagues have seemed to have concluded, and I agree with them, that this model does not have an evaporator temperature sensor. So I discovered that after pulling the dashboard apart, finding a sensor, disconnecting the sensor, and then getting an additional fault, a footwell temperature sensor. So I still don't know where the evaporator temperature sensor is, even if it exists at all. So it could be that the problem is something else. I've also cleaned up all of these terminals. I cleaned up all the grounds down there in case it's a ground issue. Yeah, I really don't know. So next step, power to the air conditioning clutch directly, see if that clicks, and then we'll investigate the power here on the relay. Relay is known to be good. Yeah, so the search continues.